Alright, let's start. So you are a guy in your best age, and there is a woman in your life and you are not sure if she is only friendly with you or if she is sexually interested in you. Do not worry, there are a lot of guys in your situation. You are not alone, my friend. Sexual tension is sometimes a complicated topic, because the most men do not know if it's actual sexual tension or just a friendly woman. The most men do not act. Did you know that the most women are afraid to show a man their true sexual feelings for him, because they are afraid that anyone could think that they are a slut? They want to save their reputation, even if they lose a potential sexual partner that way. They will flirt with you and give you some signs, but they will not show it to you in an obviously way. So first things first, I am gonna explain to you what exactly sexual tension is. And the more important thing, I am gonna show you how to spot if she is interested in a sexual way or if she is just being friendly. So the first sign you could probably recognize is that she reduces the space between you and her. Is she probably trying to stand really close to you? That is a good sign. Or is she sometimes touching your arm, for example? The second sign is a really big one. Does she sometimes really care about what you say or even admits that she has changed her opinion to yours because you have convinced her? But what is even more important than to spot these signs is how to act if you spot them. You have to understand that if a woman shows you that she likes you and even risks her reputation and you do not react the right way, she will be really pissed off. By the way, if you want to learn how to avoid the most common mistakes most older guys make with women, just click the link in the description to save yourself a 1-hour presentation about this topic. You will also be able to receive emails of me the next days, and you can trust me. They are packed with a lot of value. So just put your email address in and you are good to go. So let's go back to topic. So the common tricks to react to spotted sexual tension most of the time don't work and are too cheesy. But do not worry, the stuff you are going to learn now is the art of mind control. Yes, you heard right, mind control. You will be able to make a woman fall so deep in love with you, because her controlled mind only offers her this opportunity. So let's try this out with your current situation. You like to give the connection between her and you a romantic touch. Your connection now is probably just expedient. To do that, you have to make her experience the expedient romantic roller coaster. You will mix up her feelings in the right way, and start using mind control on her. So how to put her on a roller coaster? Start mixing the stuff up, for example like this. Start with the expedient question. Do you like to go bowling? After that you have to put the romantic touch right into it. With a sentence like, me and my ex-wife have been in the bowling center often. After that you are going to put the situation again in a more expedient way. Ask her, you have ever been bowling in Dallas? And after that, like you probably already guess, you are going to put it back to romantic again. We both should probably go to a bowling center next Friday. The true secret of this mind control technique is the part when you go back to expedient feelings. By doing this, her romantic emotions for you increasing to a higher level. What most older men would do in this situation instead, and what's a big mistake, is to go to expedient at first, and after that they will go to romantic. Thought's not a roller coaster, thought's just a mistake. The more you will using mind control on her, the more she will fall in love with you. And after some time, she will admit her love for you. But you can use mind control for even more stuff than make her want to be in a relationship with you. You can use mind control until she is completely addicted to you. To bring it to the point, you can be sure that she will never leave you. But I have to tell you that mind control is a complex topic. And I am not able to tell you everything in one video. But if you want to know everything, just click the link in the description to see a 1-hour presentation. And what's more important, by putting in your email address, you will be able to receive my value and content-packed emails in the future.